Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
First up this evening, the opposition People's National Party is calling on the Prime Minister to remove Dr Andrew Wheatley from the cabinet after recommendations for the MP to be charged with illicit enrichment.
Additionally, the opposition is questioning whether the Prime Minister was notified of the Integrity Commission's investigation before Dr Wheatley was appointed to the cabinet.
Jamila Maitland has this report.
From providing false information to the Integrity Commission, to not readily providing information, to not being able to provide supporting information. These are just a few of the patterns outlined in the IC's report that recommended charges be brought against Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of the Prime Minister with responsibility for science, technology and special projects, Dr Andrew Wheatley, for illicit enrichment. Opposition spokesman on finance, Julian Robinson.
Anyone who operates like this, whose own credibility cannot stand the test of scrutiny, should not be a member of a cabinet. And so, in closing, we are reiterating our call for Dr. Wheatley to be removed immediately from the cabinet.
The report, which was tabled in the Parliament on Wednesday, outlined that Dr. Andrew Wheatley acquired $164 million between 2013 and 2022. However, there was insufficient evidence that it was supported through lawful means.
Now, the Integrity Commission said it wrote to Dr. Andrew Wheatley in January 2024 with an illicit enrichment notice, informing him that he was being investigated. Now, according to the opposition, that was long before the general election and even longer before Dr. Andrew Wheatley was appointed to the cabinet by the Prime Minister. Now, the opposition questioned, did Dr. Andrew Wheatley inform the Prime Minister that he was being investigated?
Did he hide that information from the Prime Minister? If he hid that information from the Prime Minister, it's more reason for the Prime Minister to remove him from the cabinet now. If he shared that information with the Prime Minister, why did the Prime Minister appoint him, notwithstanding that knowledge? The Prime Minister has an obligation to not only dismiss him, but to tell the public if he knew that he was under investigation.
But this is not the first time that Dr. Andrew Wheatley has been at the center of an investigation. Back in 2018, the Auditor General's report uncovered several instances of nepotism and cronyism at Petrojam. He was the energy minister at the time. And while he denied any wrongdoings, he resigned from cabinet. Opposition leader Mark Golding said he should be removed this time around.
If we want Jamaica to become a stronger society, to attract more investment from sources that are reputable and who we would like to do business with, and so on, we can't allow our state of affairs in government to degenerate in a serious way like this. And to have somebody in the cabinet with these charges over them, that would be a serious blot on our country, and I think would be unprecedented to the best of my knowledge.
Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.